Yeah, hi Rick. I just wanted to demonstrate this kind of a weird mouse event that's we've got a few clients actually raising a support issue with it, right? So let me just show you actually what's happening actually when I actually look at the interface records in Browse. Let's say for example 7 is unticked for post. If I tick that and then just scroll down and then maybe tick 28 as well, because I just want to tick all the ones which are not ticked for posting. So 53 there, so I'll scroll down and I can see everything's now ticked. If I go back to the first one, you can see it's unticked itself. If I then carry on, 28 is unticked itself, right? And 53 is still ticked, right? So if I go back again, just to demonstrate this again, I'm going to tick that. I'm using my mouse, scrolling with my mouse. 28 is ticked. Carry on going. 53 is, I'm going to tick that one as well. So I'm just ticking basically, I want to post all the records. And I go back again and you'll see, for a very odd reason, 28 is unticked. 53 is still ticked because that was the last one I ticked. 28 is unticked itself. And so is 7 is unticked itself. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Browse and I'm going to use my keyboard. Okay, so it scrolls down. So there's my keyboard. I'm not using my mouse, I'll put that away. I'm going to use the space bar to tick the 7, and I'm just going to page down with my keyboard. 28, page down to 53, and I'll keep on paging down so I can see everything's been ticked. So far I've only used my keyboard to do this. Go back here and I'm going to go again using my keyboard, going up and using my page up and down key. You can see 53 is still ticked. Okay, using my arrow key now, 28 is still ticked and 7 is still ticked. So by using my keyboard and using the space bar and page up and down and the arrow keys to move up and down, it's working. It's when I'm using my mouse click it doesn't work, and this is causing quite a bit of an issue because what's happening, right, they're unticking transactions and they're not getting posted, and possibly the other way around as well. They want to post transactions and they're not getting posted. So if I click OK, and I'm going to do one more demonstration, right? So everything's ticked. I don't want to post 1, I don't want to post 5, and I don't want to post 10. So I'm using my mouse. 1, 5 and 10 I don't want to post. So I'm going to scroll down just to check everything is fine. So I know I've ticked 1, 5 and 10 unticked, so I don't want to post them. So I'm going to click OK. And then what the user would normally go in and interface and then post the transactions. But just for the demonstration purposes, if I click on Edit again and have a look at 1, unticked, that's good. And Browse, so 1, 5, you can see 10, it's ticked itself. So it's always the last transaction that seems to be, I didn't want to post 10. I clearly unticked that. If I go back, if I do 10, 11 and 12, you watch this, I'm using my mouse, scroll through there. Okay, I'm not doing anything at all to any records, and I'll scroll back. I did 10, 11 and 12. You'll see 10, 11 and 12 is still unticked. Okay, so let's go 37 and 57, right? So 37 and 57. So I'll scroll back up again. Initially I had 10, 11 and 12. Look at this 12, it's ticked itself. So this is very, very weird, right? They're unticking basically. They don't want to post records, but they're getting ticked again and they get posted, and that is creating an issue because some of these records required form of payment in the payment screen, right? So you've got records getting posted into the sales ledger which are not paid by in-house credit card or cash or checks, right? And then the agent is having to have problems with credit control. They've got to chase and etc. So they don't want to post these transactions from the interface. They want to hold them until they receive the payment. So that is the issue. So I'm going to send this video across to you. I'm sorry it's about 5 minutes long, but have a look, and I'm sure you can do this on your PC. I've managed to do this in a test system locally on my PC here, and I've also been able to replicate this via RDP onto a server as well, or client PC, shall we say, right? So it's happening on a local PC as well as on a server as well. I'll send you the video and follow with an email as well. Alright, thanks, bye.